Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to highlight blank cells Excel. Let's start by opening Excel. There you can see the empty cells. After this, select the range of cells where you are going to highlight the empty ones. From the Home menu, click on Conditional Formatting and choose the New Rule option. Here you are going to click on the line, Format only cells that contain. After this, at the bottom, select the option Blanks. Click on Format. When doing so, select the color you will use. Click on OK. Finally, click OK and you can see that the empty cells have been highlighted. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.